If you are currently looking at the M5 iPad Pro or thinking about buying a high-end laptop, you need to pause that purchase immediately. Welcome back to Tap Tech, the home of the most authentic, deep-dive tech leaks on the planet. Today, we aren't just talking about a tablet, we are talking about a total industry shift. We have spent weeks scouring internal supply chain reports and verified regulatory filings to bring you the first comprehensive look at the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. This isn't just a minor refresh. We are looking at a device that officially kills the notch, introduces a material build never before seen in a Samsung tablet, and brings a level of RAM that will make your current MacBook feel slow. By the end of this video, you'll see why the Tab S12 Ultra is being called the laptop killer by insiders, and I'll reveal the leaked pricing that is already sending shockwaves through the tech community. The tablet market has reached a boiling point. For years, we've seen incremental upgrades, but the upcoming release cycle is where Samsung finally stops playing it safe. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is designed for the power user, the creative professional, and the student who demands zero compromises. Let's start with the design. For the last few generations, Samsung has been criticized for that small display notch housing the front-facing cameras. Based on the latest CAD renders and panel leaks from Samsung Display, the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is officially moving to Under-Display Camera 2.0. This means a completely uninterrupted, edge-to-edge 14.8-inch display. No notches, no punch holes, just pure, immersive glass. But it's not just about the lack of a notch, it's about the chassis itself. Samsung is moving away from the standard armor aluminum and is reportedly adopting a Grade 5 titanium frame for the S12 Ultra. Titanium offers a higher strength-to-weight ratio than aluminum. For a tablet this massive, weight has always been the enemy. By moving to titanium, Samsung is expected to make the S12 Ultra lighter than its predecessor while making it significantly more durable. Imagine a 14.8-inch workstation that you can hold in one hand without the wrist fatigue. That is the premium experience Samsung is aiming for. Speaking of the display, we need to talk about the tandem OLED revolution. Samsung is bringing a dual-stack OLED panel to the Tab S12 Ultra. This technology layers two OLED panels on top of each other, which doubles the brightness and drastically increases the lifespan of the screen by reducing the stress on individual pixels. We are looking at a peak brightness of a staggering 3000 nits. To put that in perspective, you could use this tablet on a sunny beach in the middle of July and still see every detail of your 4K video edit with perfect clarity. The color accuracy is also getting a boost, covering 100% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, making it a mandatory tool for colorists and photographers. Now, let's get under the hood, because this is where the laptop killer title really comes from. The S12 Ultra is reportedly returning to a custom-tuned Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2. This chip is built on a 3nm process and features an architecture designed specifically for sustained heavy workloads. But the real shocker is the memory. Verified leaks from the IMEI database and supply chain sources suggest that Samsung will offer a flagship configuration with 24GB of LPDDR6 RAM. Most professional laptops today still ship with 8 or 16GB. With 24GB of RAM, the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra won't just run apps. It will keep dozens of high-intensity tasks open in the background without ever needing to refresh. This leads us to the software. You can have all the power in the world, but if the operating system can't handle it, it's wasted. Samsung is launching the S12 Ultra with One UI 8.1, based on Android 17. The headline feature here is Neural Dex. This isn't just your standard desktop mode. Neural Dex uses the onboard NPU to intelligently manage windows based on your workflow. If you're a coder, it prioritizes your IDE in terminal. If you're a designer, it ensures your canvas has 100% of the system resources. Furthermore, we've seen reports of a new hybrid boot mode that allows the tablet to run a localized Linux environment for developers, effectively bridging the gap between a mobile OS and a full desktop experience. For the artists and note-takers, the S Pen is getting its biggest upgrade in a decade. The S Pen Pro 3. The latency is being dropped to a nearly imperceptible 1.8 milliseconds. It will feel like you are writing on actual paper. But the real innovation is the haptic feedback. The S Pen Pro 3 will now feature a tiny haptic motor that simulates the feel of different surfaces. When you select a pencil tool in an app, the pen will vibrate subtly to mimic the friction of lead on paper. Switch to an oil brush, and the resistance changes. This level of tactile immersion is something the competition simply doesn't offer yet, and it's going to be a game changer for digital illustrators. Let's talk endurance. A 14.8-inch 3000 nit screen and a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 require a massive amount of power. Samsung is packing an 11,800 mAh battery into this titanium shell. But the capacity isn't the story, the charging speed is. For years, Samsung has lagged behind with 45W charging. The leaks for the S12 Ultra suggest a jump to 80W ultra-fast charging. This would allow you to take this massive battery from 0 to 50% in just about 20 minutes. For the professional on the go, being able to top up your entire workstation during a quick coffee break is a massive productivity win. Connectivity is another area where Samsung is leaving no stone unturned. We are looking at Wi-Fi 7 support as standard, ensuring that if you have the latest router, your wireless speeds will rival a wired Ethernet connection. For those who opt for the cellular model, the 5G modem is being upgraded to support the newest mmWave bands for ultra-low latency. Whether you're gaming in the cloud or uploading 8K raw footage, the S12 Ultra is built for the speed of the future. The S12 Ultra will feature a dual 12MP front-facing setup hidden under the display. This allows for a wide-angle field of view that can center you during a video call, even if you're moving around the room. On the back, we're seeing a 13MP main sensor and an upgraded 8MP ultra-wide. But the hidden gem is the new LiDAR sensor. This isn't just for AR games. Samsung is integrating LiDAR into their productivity suite, allowing for instant 3D room scanning and precise measurement tools that are perfect for architects and interior designers. Expect the official Unpacked event to happen in September, with the devices hitting shelves shortly after. As for the price, the move to titanium, tandem OLED, and 24GB of RAM comes at a cost. In the premium market, we expect the base 256GB model to start at $1,299, with the top-tier 2TB/24GB RAM model likely pushing toward the $1,999 mark. While that sounds steep, remember that this is positioned as a laptop replacement. When you compare it to a fully spec'd-out MacBook Pro or an iPad Pro with a keyboard, the value proposition starts to make sense. Thank you so much for watching this deep dive here on TapTech. We work around the clock to ensure these leaks are as authentic and detailed as possible so you can make the best tech buying decisions. If this video helped you decide whether to wait for the S12 Ultra or buy something else, do us a huge favor, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We have a lot more exclusive tech coverage coming your way, including a full comparison between the S12 Ultra and the competition, so make sure you turn on those notifications. What feature are you most excited about? Is 24GB of RAM overkill for a tablet, or is it exactly what you've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments below, we read every single one. Until next time, keep tapping into the future. This is TapTech, signing off.